Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just arrived to the job site this morning. It is currently about 7:30ish. The crew has not arrived yet. Today we have Joey and then two other guys. But we got to move 35 yards of, well, 34 and a half technically, of brown marble. I'm just gonna be in the loader most of today and dumping a load underneath the deck so that they can wheelbarrow it up to that left side there, because we can't get the skid steer on that hill and that side. So gonna be a little struggle there, but the boys have got it. I got faith in them. I'll show you kind of what the marble looks like here, because we did do a little bit after work yesterday. So this is the starting point. This is what it's gonna look like. Don't really pay attention to that side because that side is still really low with rent, but this side, yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. By the way, freaking cheers, it's Friday, baby. Guys, we got the rock in, and we did it in about 3.5 hours. I want a little bit of cash because I bet on my team. I said we get it done within 6 hours, which we got it done with half amount of time. Here is the finished product. We haven't done this yet because this is a walkway. Those are the stairs. Slower morning this morning. We got a rock here. These are our pavers. Those are thicker than I thought they were going to be. Paver base is here. Going to be loading that in here. Gotta get a Mountain Dew clean top. Cheers. You know, Tom's a good guy. Tom's really a good guy. He took care of my can. I had an empty Monster can here and he took care of it. That's a good guy right there. More here, little more there. Guys, we got half the patio done. Look at that. Shouldn't call it a patio, it's really a walkway, but you get the gist of it. Oh, that's saucy. Finish the walkway, then we're gonna start planting the remaining plants around the sides. Bingo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize again for not showing you too much of today's process, or enough anyway, but this is what we created today. We did put the edging, the paver edging around to hold in the rock, but that is the walkway. We will be putting the polymeric sand in tomorrow. We will just add that to the block and then sweep it in. Throw rock in tomorrow as well. But other than that, that is day 6. We crew did really good today. It was only me, Tim, and Joey, but we got a lot done. So till tomorrow morning, I'll see you guys then.